Here's how to post a video on Instagram as a post, not a reel. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Now tap the plus button. Here you will see options like reel and post. You must have to select post. Then choose the video you just want to upload, tap next, and now at this point you will be noticed this will be shared as a reel. So that means the video will appear in the reel section. So now to avoid this, just back from here and go for start over. Now you just have to tap on the select button and at this time also select a photo to place it second. Then tap next and upload the post as usual. Once the post is successfully uploaded from your newsfeed, you have to tap on this three dot menu quickly, then choose edit. Now select the photo, tap on this delete icon and confirm the process. Now go back to your profile and you will see the video posted as a regular post, and when you check your reel section, it won't appear there. And that means your video has been uploaded as a post, not a reel. And this is the only way to post a video on Instagram without it turning into a reel. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.